Whether you're streaming a multi-screen staged live event to your faithful online audience while thinking through a strategy for monetization of more advanced educational content, or planning a dynamic skiing live broadcast with cuts to a tutorial segment on aerials highlighting the importance of knee position, the latest generation of streaming gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative streaming gadgets which will not only level up the game, but present a new angle. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The DJI RONIN 4D 8K is a full-frame camera with interchangeable sensors and lens mounts. Featuring a high-end integrated gimbal and 4D stabilization, it is well-suited to versatile streaming applications. The inclusion of a 4th-axis stabilizer to counteract camera bounce makes this one of the most stable video platforms available. Full-frame 8K at up to 60 frames per second, uncropped as well as 4K with a full sensor readout at up to 120 frames per second, is supported when using the ZenMuse X9 8K camera module. LiDAR allows autofocus not only with DJI's DL mount lenses, but also with Sony E-mount lenses, providing a mount adapter is utilized. With the addition of a follow focus motor, M-mount and PL mount lenses can also be manipulated. The main control dial provides haptic feedback to the user depending on the value being adjusted. Click stop, smooth focusing, or even a powered zoom function can all be relayed to the operator's fingers accurately. The dual native ISOs of the X9 8K are ISO 320 and 1600. These can be accessed within the camera's dynamic range expansion setting and are available for frame rates of up to 30 frames per second. With class-leading stabilization, clever control interface, and outstanding image quality, the DJI RONIN 4D 8K makes for an exciting alternative. The EMSI Raider G78 HX boasts a 240Hz, 17-inch screen, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU, 32GB of RAM, expandable up to 64GB, and a 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor. Ideal for gaming and demanding productivity, the laptop features a creative array of lights on the front of the base, as well as translucent multicolored WASD keys and arrow keys. There's a sense of fun appropriate for a machine that's meant to bring joy to the user's favorite games. The Raider's 2560 by 1600 panel covers 163% of the sRGB gamut and 115.4% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, making for a bright, colorful, and highly engaging experience. A 1080p webcam is housed above the display, together with a privacy slider. There are ports dispersed across both sides and the back of the laptop. The left side has a Thunderbolt 4-port, an SD card slot, and a 0.13-inch headphone jack. The right side has a pair of USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. In the back, there's an Ethernet port, HDMI 2.1, another USB Type-C port, and the power jack. There is a full keyboard and a number pad for those who like the extra numbers for macros. The MSI Raider GA78 HX makes for a premium solution. The DJI Air 3S is an affordable mid-sized drone with a camera module which pairs wide-angle and medium telephoto cameras mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. They're capable of shooting raw photos and 10-bit 4K video at 60 frames per second, 120 frames per second, in slow-motion mode with HLRG or D-Log-M color profiles that allow more flexibility in post-production. 9:16 portrait format videos can also be easily captured, ideal for quick posting to social media channels. DJI's O4 video transmission system is robust and slick, beaming a low-latency FAD 60 per second image live from the Air 3S's camera to the RC2 screen. It has a bright 5.5-inch Full HD screen, 32 GB of storage capacity, and controls for both flight and camera functions. At the back there's a USB-C port, which can be used to charge the battery or transfer data, plus a micro SD slot for storing videos and photos. Active Track 360 degrees is a feature that enables the drone to automatically follow a point of focus, effortlessly dodging potential obstacles while moving around and creating superb cinematic shots. This versatility, together with 16 stops of dynamic range for stunning footage in challenging lighting conditions, makes the DJI Air 3S Pro a compelling alternative. The ROLAND VR400 UHD 4K streaming AV mixer allows operators to easily take control of complex streaming tasks for in-person and live stream events. Side-by-side touchscreens provide fast, direct control of workflows in the heat of the moment, letting users monitor live video thumbnails, switch composite video scenes, and access audio mixing and video routing functions. 7 HDMI inputs with up to 4K 60p resolution are available. 4 inputs at once can be used for the creation of video compositions. 8 banks provide a total of 64 scenes, with 8 scenes at a time displayed on a touch display. Dual mode, complemented by the unit's dual screens, allow scenes to be sent to 2 independent displays or via the USB-C outs to independent internet feeds. Region of interest uses a single 4K camera for input sharing and scaling functions to crop out unique shots, which can then be assigned to scenes for instant switching. JPEG, BMP, and PNG still images imported via USB flash media can be used to display transitions, graphics, and transparent PNGs for titles and lower thirds. Browser-based remote control software lets users operate the switcher and monitor scene previews from a Mac or Windows computer via a LAN connection. The ROLAND VR400 UHD 4K provides a thoughtful means of broadcasting content. The TILTA HYDRA Alien Pro is the world's first electronic dampening arm built to deliver stunning cinematic footage at speed. It features a payload capacity of up to 28.6 pounds and utilizes motorized shock absorption for the achievement of dynamic through to ultra-stable footage. The arm combines spring, hydraulic, and pneumatic shock absorption. At the end of the arm, a wide range of cameras and gimbals can be attached, including the DJI RONIN 4D, DJI RS4 Pro, and FreeFly Movie Pro. There are 2 control methods for adjusting the dampening, allowing quick responses, whether on the move or stationary, perfectly designed for efficient workflows. A parameter adjustment touchscreen directly on the arm allows the user to dial in the amount of damping they require based on the camera package's payload. Alternatively, remote wireless control can be achieved by utilizing a device such as the Nucleus Nano 2. The arm can take a 14.8 to 24 volt power input, which means it can be powered via standard V-mount cold mount batteries. It also features a 14.8 volt power output. With a high-impact shock-absorbing head, electronic dampening, and remote wireless control, the TILTA HYDRA Alien Pro makes for a safe, versatile, and highly customizable means of capturing superb cinematic footage at speed. So guys, if you are looking for a streaming gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.